Hello world. Hello
Hi Grandpa,
Logic Forge
and hi guys,
from Grandpa.
and let's go with simple as possible.
Download and install Unity Hub. Then choose from latest Unity installs. Download and install it. Choose projects and create 3D project. The default sample scene is auto-created for us. Open the Asset Store window from Window Toolbar. Then in search box type Logic Forge. Download the asset and install it. Let's create folder and scene and save it inside the folder. Now let's add cube game object in the scene. As you can see, all game objects has components shown in inspector. For example, transform, mesh filter, mesh renderer. Every component has its own purpose. For example, transform is for positioning, rotating and scaling of the game object. Let's add another component, logic, which will be executor of our design. But first, let's create design file by clicking on the new button. Select the file and rename it to My Design. As you can see, design shown in Logic Editor is empty. You can also create design through right-click menu. You can open Logic Editor window from Window Toolbar on top. You can assign design to Logic Executor simply by drag and drop design file. Let's add something inside the design. Let's add log component which will log text in console window. Right click in the Logic Editor window, choose Functions, then Log. Hit Tab to center the view. So for our function, rectangular node is created, which has inputs where some data enters, has some purpose, in our case to print in console, and might have outputs, result. Let's enable the node. In console we are seeing null because we didn't add anything to input message. So we will add variable of type string. Select model component and add text hello world to the myVar variable. So we will send the data from myVar to message input. Let's enable the variable, and soon we enable it, we see the text hello world in the console. Printing is eternal cycle. You can see loop icon in the corner of the node. This is cause big clock input is not set. Let's set big clock. Icon in the corner show 1, so node will be executed only once. It will print once. Now we can switch on and off the clock to do more printing. So instead of switching manually, we will send control from input component. Which will track our left mouse click, fire 1. Now click in the game window and you will see print in the console. Let the forge be with you.